Whistleblowing policy was introduced formally in Nigeria in 2016 with the aim of encouraging the reporting of misappropriation of public funds and assets and to handle issues of corruption like collecting and soliciting for bribes, among others. However, Nigeria is still without a legal framework for the whistleblowing policy.
We are here today to examine the challenges and collectively seek ways to overcome them. It is imperative that we continually refine our strategies to ensure effective implementation of the policy to achieve the desired results.
Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, who agreed that the momentum and popularity that welcomed the policy seem to have died down, says this will soon change as President Bola Tinubu is soon to present the bill on whistleblowing to the National Assembly for passage into law.
And we expect that the public will support the quick passage, the prompt and expeditious passage of this all-important bill by the National Assemblies. The whistleblower policy is part of the government strategy to ensure that our public institutions operate with integrity and remain accountable to the people of Nigeria.
Part of the provision in the bill include appropriation of authorities that can receive information and assurance of protection and compensation for whistleblowers. The slogan for the whistleblowing policy still remains, if you see something, say something and get something.